Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny. Today we'll be making falafel. Let's go to Greece. The first and inevitable step is to soak your chickpeas for a minimum of 12 hours. Use raw chickpeas as you get the best results when frying. So you can also use cooked chickpeas, but if this is your first time, I'll strongly advise against that. Now we're going to give this a proper wash and run it through the food processor with some herbs and spices. You don't have to remove the skin. It's very important to give it a proper mix, then process again. This is the consistency I like. Of course, you can go smaller or larger. Either way, it's up to you. Pour the contents into a container, cover, and let it sit in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. This will allow the mixture to absorb all of the herbs and spices. Now it's time to mold the mixture into whatever shape you want. I'll be using this measuring spoon since I'll be molding mine into balls and discs. You can also use an ice cream scoop if you have one. All I'm using this for is to scoop out the mixture and form a ball. Watch my hands. Your oil should be 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees centigrade. Dip a wooden handle in the oil. If it bubbles, it's hot enough. Now I'm going to fry them for 5 minutes on each side. Alternatively, you can form discs before frying. Watch my hands. It's so easy, right? Let's go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please watch the preludes to this video. I'll be sure to link them at the end of the video. Finally, if you have a question, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks again, and I'll see you all next week.